For over 40 years, the BMW 7 Series has been the boardroom on wheels for the world's elite. But for 2026, BMW isn't just making a luxury sedan. They're building a digital sanctuary. Whether you choose the gas-powered 760i or the all-electric i7, the 7 Series remains the boldest, most technologically advanced flagship in the game. Today, we're stepping inside the 2026 model to see if it still holds the crown against the Mercedes S-Class and the Audi A8. Is this the most futuristic car on the road? Let's find out. The 7 Series design continues to be a conversation starter. The massive, illuminated kidney grills dominate the front end, flanked by split crystal headlights made in collaboration with Swarovski. For 2026, the lines have been further refined, and the new M Sport Professional package adds high-gloss black accents that give this limousine a truly sinister look. Notice the flush-mounted door handles and the soft close automatic doors that open and close at the touch of a button. From the back, the slim LED tail lamps and the sheer scale of this car give it a massive road presence. It's a design that doesn't ask for permission, it commands attention. If the outside is bold, the inside is pure science fiction. The dashboard features the BMW Interaction Bar, a crystalline light strip that changes color based on your drive mode or incoming calls. But the real showstopper is in the back. Lowering from the ceiling is the 31-inch BMW theater screen with up to 8,000 resolution and built-in Amazon Fire TV, combined with the 36-speaker Bowers and Wilkins Diamond surround sound system. The rear seats turn into a private cinema. The executive lounge seating allows the rear passenger to recline, pop out a footrest, and enjoy a massage while watching a movie. With 5.5-inch touchscreens integrated into the door panels, every passenger has total control of their environment. Under the hood, you have choices. The 760i xDrive features a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 with 48 volts mild hybrid tech, producing a smooth 536 horsepower. But if you want the peak 7 Series experience, you look at the i7 M70. The all-electric i7 delivers a silent but violent 650 horsepower and can rocket this massive sedan from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.7 seconds. The range has been improved for 2026, now pushing over 500 kilometers on a single charge. Thanks to the Executive Drive Pro suspension, the car scans the road ahead and pre-adjusts the dampers, making you feel like you're floating on a cloud. Even over the roughest pavement, the 2026 BMW 7 Series is more than a car. It's a statement of what's possible when luxury meets cutting-edge tech. It's for the person who wants to be driven as much as they want to drive. It's bold, it's controversial, and it is absolutely packed with features you won't find anywhere else. But what's your pick? Would you go for the silent i7 or the V8-powered 760i? And is that 31-inch screen a game changer or just a gimmick? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.